In today's video, I'll show you how to create a recurring task in Asana. For anything you do on a regular schedule, like a weekly report or a monthly check-in, you shouldn't have to recreate the task every single time. Asana can automatically repeat it for you. Let's jump in. Starting from the sidebar on the left, I'll open the project that holds my task by clicking on my test project. Now I need to open the details for the task I want to repeat. Hovering over a task reveals a Details button, and clicking it slides open the task pane on the right. The repeat setting lives inside the date picker, so first I'll click on the task's due date to open it up. Here's the calendar we've seen before, but look toward the bottom of the panel. There's a small repeat icon down there, the one that looks like two circling arrows. Clicking that turns on repeating for this task. And there we go. A brand new repeats section appears. By default, Asana sets it to weekly and gives you a row of day buttons so you can choose exactly which days it repeats on. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, whatever suits your schedule. But weekly is just the start. Clicking on that weekly dropdown reveals all your options. You can choose daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or even periodically for a custom rhythm, like every 3 days or every 2 weeks. Whatever your routine looks like, there's a setting for it. Once you pick your schedule, Asana handles the rest. Every time you complete the task, it automatically recreates itself with the next due date, so a recurring chore never falls off your radar again. So to recap, open your task's details, click the due date, hit the repeat icon in the date picker, then choose how often it should repeat. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.